Good afternoon, everyone. This is student meteorologist Aaron DeVivo here for WestConn's weather team. Story for the past couple of days has been sunshine, but that's all about to change as we have a nor'easter that's going to be working its way up the coast. And because of that, the National Weather Service has issued a winter storm warning for the majority of Connecticut, excluding southeast Connecticut where they get a watch. After that nor'easter moves through, though, we have a fairly nice weekend in store. So I guess that's some sort of consolation for all you folks that are sick of the snow. But currently in Danbury, we have overcast skies with a temperature of 23 degrees, a dew point of -4, and a relative humidity of 30%. Let's take a look at those high clouds. They've worked their way northward into Danbury throughout the day today, and all those clouds are associated with this low pressure system in the Gulf, which is going to transition to our nor'easter. And let's take a look out west as well. We have a clipper system that's going to try to sneak up on us, but I'm not going to let it. I'm going to show you where and when that happens in my forecast. But for Thursday morning, here's that low pressure system off the mid-Atlantic coast, and by Thursday evening, it's worked its way northward, but it's still hugging that coast, which is a problem. We have all this precipitation right here, and this white line making its way through it is the line that separates snow to anything east of that line that will have snow, then a change over to sleet, freezing rain, and maybe some rain in some portions of the state as well. But then we're going to have a transition back over into Thursday night. So anything east of that line doesn't mean it's going to be all freezing rain or all sleet. It just means that we're going to have a changeover. And then off to the west, we still have that clipper system right here. And by Friday afternoon, that nor'easter has worked its way northward, and that clipper system is our next problem. And we're going to be stuck with mostly sunny skies, so it's going to be a little bit of a tease for us, because here it is on early Saturday morning. We have another bout of snow. Nothing significant, though. You usually don't get a lot of accumulation with clipper systems. But after that, we have partly sunny skies. So Saturday is not a lost day. It's going to turn into a fairly nice day as those clouds start to dissipate as the low pressure system moves off to the east. But for Danbury on Wednesday night, we have low temperature of 19 degrees. It's cold and mostly cloudy. And here we go for Thursday. High temperature of 33 degrees, and here's that precipitation change I was talking about. Between 4 a.m. and 1 p.m., we're going to have snow. And that snow is going to be 1 to 3 inches per hour possible in some locations. So that's some heavy snow. But after that, 1 p.m. to 8 p.m., we're going to have snow, which is going to change over to sleet for a little while. And you're going to have a mix of sleet and snow. But by Thursday night, you're going to have it's going to change back over to snow, and we're going to have a low temperature of 26 degrees. It's going to be blustery with these winds north, 15 to 21 miles per hour. Let me go back to Thursday for a minute and point to those winds as well. Northeast to north, 12 to 20 miles per hour. So Thursday and Thursday night, you can see it's going to be windy. And let's take a look at that snowfall map now. 2 to 4 inches in southeast Connecticut. And as you work your way north and east, you get to areas where they're going to have possibly 10 to 14 inches. And in my little corner of the state, I'm expecting 4 to 8 inches. But for Danbury, 8 to 12. So let's take a look at the extended outlook. Here's that clipper system on Friday night into Saturday. And here's your weekend, Saturday and Sunday. Like I said, a fairly nice weekend. We have those cold temps, 34 degrees and 26. But we're used to that by now with all the cold temperatures that we've been experiencing. And by Monday, we have mostly sunny skies, a high temperature of 30 degrees. So for all you folks that are going to be heading out, Thursday morning, Thursday and Friday, be very careful. The roads are going to be dangerous with, the snow and the sleet and all that. So just be careful. And if you don't have to go out, don't. Get all your supplies before the storm. So this has been student meteorologist Aaron DeVivo here for WestConn's weather team. Have a great day, everybody, and be safe.